I don't know if MaxThe Animator is made all good news, but I'm still going to rant on him. If anyone likes this user, I respect your opinion. So, let's get to it. MaxThe Animator has got to be the horrible user I ever see in my life. I'm going to explain why. 1. He send angry message to people. Like seriously. Sending angry message to people will cause drama. 2. He wants to hunt Juju down. 3. He claims that Blue's Clues fan S2008 is racist, but it not. 3. He wants to have sex with Strawberry Nicholas. What the fuck? He can't do that. She already taken by Juju. 4. He forced Gary Animaton's Geo to leave YouTube, sending rude comments, and give him haters. 5. He hurted Strawberry Nicholas' feelings. 6. He called the amazing world of Gumball Fanatic 18 a piece of shit. 7. He fucked Avaz shit. 8. He called Murky a dumb piece of shit. 8. He rage caps like a baby. 9. He can't handle hate, dislikes, and haters. 10. He bashes opinions on Caillou. So that I have to say of this rant. My next rant will be on 2018. So bye guys.